Alright, fellow breathers, welcome. If you're ready to shift into a mindset of abundance and possibility, this session is for you. Now, let's start by sitting comfortably with a straightened spine. Close the eyes and take a few slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose, deep into the belly. Just connect with your breath. Slow, deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. Let everything go. Before we start manifesting, we are first going to create some space and center the awareness. Keep breathing slow and deep in and out through the nose. On every exhale, let go of all the tension in your body. Relax your shoulders, your face, your jaw, your belly, or maybe even some tension in your hips. Let it all go. Just relax. Now, on your next breath, slightly contract the throat a little bit, as if you're going to whisper or fog a mirror, but just keep breathing in and out through the nose. Try to slow down your breath. Drawing deep breaths into your belly and into the rib area, followed by the heart area, and then slowly let it go. Stay with your breath. Keep focusing on the sound and the sensation in your throat. Center your awareness. Now, let go of the contraction of your throat and let the breath flow naturally, but stay in the here and now. Now we've created some space and centered our awareness. It is time to start the manifestation. Now, just take a moment to visualize the goal you want to achieve. It can be any goal. The business you're always wanted to build, having more money, the trip you wanted to make for a long time. Everything is possible. Now take that goal and try to visualize it as detailed as you possibly can. Take your time with this. Now, imagine how you would feel when you've already achieved this goal. What feelings would you experience? How would you behave? Now focus on that feeling and take a deep breath in through the nose, into the belly, and hold it there for a moment. And keep generating that feeling. And let go of the breath. Now stay focused and take another deep breath like this. Hold it and let go. Now one more breath like this, deep into the belly. Focus on that feeling. Generate a mini smile. Hold and let go. Now on your next breath, keep generating that feeling, but now draw the breath into the belly, then into the heart area, and let the chest expand. Hold it there for a moment and let the feeling go through your body and let go. And another one. Deep into the belly, into the heart area. Feel the chest expanding. And let go. Last breath like this. Draw it into the belly, into the heart area. Focus on that feeling and let go. Now on the following breaths, draw deep into the belly, then into the heart area, and imagine you're drawing the breath into the third eye area between your eyebrows. Hold your breath there for a moment. Generate that feeling, squeeze your pelvis, and squeeze the energy upwards to your third eye, sending this energy into the universe. And let go. Let's do 2 more of these. Breathe in all the way from the belly up to the third eye area. Hold. Squeeze the energy upwards. And let go. Last one. Deep breath in into the belly. Heart area. Third eye area. Hold. Squeeze. Generate a mini smile. And let go. Now, by focusing on the energy or the feeling you would experience as if you already achieved this goal, you are sending positive energy into the universe. Because only with sending out positive energy, we will attract a positive outcome. And don't forget not only to think about your goal, but also take the necessary daily steps that get you closer to achieving it. Manifestation sessions like this only work when your actions follow your thoughts. A dream without an action is just a random thought. Now, you can open your eyes, stay seated, or move on with your day. Whatever you decide, you can always come back to this practice anytime you need. Breathe well.